Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add image header on the Google form. So first, just open the form that you want to add the header. In here, go to these options, this theme menu at the top. Okay, and after that this theme will be open and you can just scroll down until you find header and click on the choose an image. Here you can just select the header that you want, or you can also upload the one that you created if you have one, or you can also use the default header provided by Google Forms. So just select one. For example, I'm going to add this one. Click on the image, click on insert. Okay, so just like that, the image will be added to the header like this, and also the theme will be changed accordingly based on the image that you choose. You can choose the theme color in here also. When you're done, just click on close, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.